Hey, Seth Davies with Competitive Solutions. We're excited to be part of Modex coming up in Atlanta. We are going to be in Exhibit Hall A, booth number 10106, showcasing Visuant Business Performance Software, the leading software for manufacturing and supply chain professionals. We also are hosting on Monday at 3:30 in Theater A, one of our clients, Teijin Automotive. They're going to come and share how they have integrated their metrics, their corrective actions, their accountability, their communication systems all into one location to create a sustainable process. Phenomenal story to share about how it has brought their 9 plants and value streams together with that. Again, Exhibit Hall A, booth number 10106. If you are tired of Excel spreadsheets, tired of other software systems where you just simply visualize your data and not truly utilize it, come by and see us. Come by and see how you can link corrective actions directly to underperforming metrics to drive greater focus, urgency, and accountability. Hope to see you.